Welcome back to 3 Secrets to 3Xing Your Sales. I'm Michelle Terpstra. Let's go ahead and jump in. Secret number 3, take daily action to implement what you know. I have found time and time again that those that still struggle with sales aren't in this position for lack of trying. They often tell me about the courses, programs, and training they have taken to learn vital sales skills. My next follow-up question to that is usually, what consistent daily action do you take to implement what you've learned? And that's usually where crickets, eyes closing, head down. Oh my gosh, you caught me, Michelle. The thing is that most salespeople and entrepreneurs are trying to learn sales, but unfortunately, it becomes information overload. This has resulted in a lot of learning, but not doing. Of course, we have to learn the fundamentals. We need advanced training, but if daily action is being sacrificed because the same valuable information isn't being implemented, this is where the problem festers. I love this quote by Norman Ralph Augustine: motivation will almost always beat more talent. I would even go further that it's beyond motivation. It's access to answers on demand. Imagine how much easier it would be to respond to a DM, book a follow-up, or course correct during a sales call if something isn't going just right, if you had all of the answers you needed on demand. I like to think about this concept is the Hey Siri for sales. And if you own an Alexa, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Anything on your mind, your to-dos, your questions, Hey Siri, and you ask away and you get the answer right away. I believe that in order to take daily action to improve your sales skills and increase your sales, you not only need education, but you need quick access to answers so that you can do it faster. Sales skills are like hundreds of little muscles. The more reps you do, the faster you see results. I'm willing to bet that you've Googled many sales questions, hoping for the quick and dirty answer, but have been lost in the internet web of receiving mixed or unclear advice. Worst of all, when you're seeking answers in this way, you find that most of the advice doesn't really apply to your specific situation, business type, or what you're selling. You might have had some success digesting and applying the knowledge to your business, but it's likely taken more time than you've wanted. The secret is that the top 10% of business owners and salespeople have access to on-demand support and a lifeline to feeling motivated each day. As I discussed in secret number 1, updating your customer journey to reflect how modern buyers want to buy today is the first step to ultimate sales success. And this is exactly why I'm excited to announce a new way that you can receive support from me. It's the same promise: make more sales without the stress, sweat, or sleaze. But I am delivering it in a new way to respond to a large segment of my audience's needs. Introducing the Hey Siri for sales. Everything you need, nothing you don't. It's the first sales success membership available in the market that will be built 100% around member needs. This is designed for the person that wants answers fast, wants to feel supported, is tired of feeling like sales success is contingent on the market, and most of all, wants to be more than just good, but the best. This is not for someone who wants to avoid selling, complain more than work, or is satisfied with status quo. This is for the hungry go-getter that wants to make selling the easiest part of their day. And here is how you're going to gain access to 15 to 20 years of sales experience in my mind in a easy to access environment. Welcome to the Sales Success Lounge.